Good morning students, how are you all? In the last video we have started our second chapter, that is whole numbers. We have seen an introduction video to this chapter, whole numbers. I have explained you each and every concept that we will be using to solve the exercises given in this chapter. Students, in this chapter whole number, there are 3 exercises in all. Okay, exercise 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. And today in this video we are going to start our first exercise, that is exercise 2.1 for whole numbers. Okay, so be ready with your textbooks and notebooks students. Open your textbooks, take out exercise 2.1. We are going to see the first question students. Yes, write question number 1. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Underline the word next 3 natural numbers. Underline this words, next 3 natural numbers. So students, what do you mean by next 3 natural numbers? Here you have to give the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Let me explain you again with one small example. I want you to answer what will come after 3. What will be the 3 numbers that will come after 3? Can you tell? After 3 what comes? After 3 comes 4, then 5 and then 6. Isn't it? These are the next 3 numbers which come just after 3. How we got this number students? If I add 1 to 3, I will get 4. Isn't it? If I add 1 to 4, I will get 5. Again if I add 1 to 5, I am going to get 6. Isn't it students? So what you have to do is, here the number is a larger number. If you can orally answer, it's very fine. But if you are confused, no problem. There is one trick you can easily solve using that trick. Okay, how to solve? Let's see. So its solution will be 10,999. After this you want the next numbers, na? No problem. Add 1 to it students. 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over and here. So what I got? After 10,999, I got 11,000. Again add 1 to it. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So students, 11,001. We want one more number. So again add. 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. So 11,002 students. Here the next 3 natural numbers coming just after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. Clear students? So let us write like this. The 3 natural numbers appearing after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001 and finally 11,002. Clear students? Okay, now let us see question number 2 students. Question number 2 students. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Underline the word before. Occurring just before 10,001 means you have to tell the numbers which comes just before 10,001. I'll explain you again with a small number. Suppose I want 3 numbers which occur just before 5. So what number comes just before 5 students? 4, 3 and 2. Isn't it? How you got 4? 5 minus 1 you are going to get 4. 4 minus 1 you are going to get 3. Then 3 minus 1 again you are going to get 2. Clear or not students? So in the same manner, for writing the numbers, for writing the 3 whole numbers which occur just before 10,001, again you are going to subtract 1 from the given number. So 10,001 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear students? So we already know that before 10,001 what will be the first number? It will be 10,000. But still, if you have any confusion regarding the solution, you can solve in this manner and be confident for your answer. Okay, then again I have to borrow 1 here. 10 minus 1, 9. Here again 9, 9, 9, and this I'll get 0. So 9999. Again subtract 1 from this because we want 3 whole numbers now. So 9 minus 1, 8. Again 9, 9, 9. Okay, so first number, second number, and here we got our third number, students. So what will be the final answer? The 3 natural numbers occurring just before 10,001 are 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. This is the solution, students. The 3 natural numbers occurring just before 10,001 are 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. So this was your second question, students. Now let us move to our third question. Question 3, students. Which is the smallest whole number? In the last video we have discussed this very clearly, and you know that whole number starts from 0. So which will be the smallest whole number, students? Obviously it will be 0. So answer for this question will be 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. And if I ask you which is the greatest whole number, can you answer? Answer will be no, because it will go up to infinity. Okay, students. Let us see question number 4. Question number 4, students. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? You have to answer how many whole numbers come between 32 and 53. Can you solve this question? What you are going to do? Don't start counting 32, 33, 34. No, it will take a lot of time. I'll explain you one trick. With using that trick, very easily you can answer the numbers between any 2 whole numbers. But before it, let us take 2 small numbers. If I ask you, can you tell me the numbers which comes between 5 and 15 without counting? So students, what you are going to do is take 15 and subtract 5 from it. 5 minus 5, 0 and 1. Okay, 10. But no, again you have to do one more thing. Whatever answer you are getting from that, again you have to subtract 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. So surely I can say that there are 9 numbers between 5 and 15. Do you want to cross check it by counting? Let us count and check. Don't take 5 and 15 because you have to take the numbers between 5 and 15. So we will start counting from 6 and we will stop at 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many students? 9 numbers are coming. So this method you are going to use if you get any 2 numbers and you are asked to find the numbers between them. Okay. So let us now solve this question. So solution, 4 students. I will take the greater number, that is 53. I will subtract 32 from it. 3 minus 2, 1. Again 5 minus 3, 2. 21. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from 21. So finally, how many numbers we are going to get? We will get 20 numbers. So students, there are 20 numbers between 32 and 53. Understood, students, how to solve this question number 4? Okay, now let us see question number 5, students. It states that write the successor of. So in the last video we have discussed this topic, successor and predecessor na. So for any number, if you want to give its successor, what you are going to do? Make this very clear. Take that number, add 1 to its, students. उसमें 1 plus करना है and you will get the successor for the given number. So very easy. Let us see the first point. Here this number is given and I have to write its successor. No problem. What you are going to do? You will be adding 1 to the given number. Okay. Let us see how much we are going to get. 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 7, 0, 4, 4, 2. And what was the number given to us? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So number was 24 lakh 40,701 and its successor after adding 1 is 24 lakhs 40,702. Clear? Okay. Point number B, students. Then 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh 199. The number given to us is 1 lakh 199. You have to give it successor. No problem. Add 1 to it. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 0, 0, 1. So finally we got again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh 200 is the successor of 1 lakh 199. Clear, students? In this question number 5, there are 4 points, students. A and B I have solved. C and D will be your homework. You have to do it. Okay, now let us quickly see question number 6 also. Question number 6 is write the predecessor of. Question number 6, students. Write the predecessor of. Okay, so for predecessor also we have discussed in the last video. For any number, if you want to give its predecessor, you have to take out 1 from that number, means subtract 1 from the given number and you are going to get its predecessor. Let us see how. So in your textbook, question number 6, write the predecessor of. Point A is 94. So 94 minus 1, how much, students? 93. I'll not write A point on the board. You can do it. I'll show you B and C. Let us see how. So B, you have to write the predecessor of 10,000. Okay, no problem. Subtract 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Again 9, 9, 9. And here we'll get 0. So what is the predecessor of 10,000? It's 9,999. Clear, students? Okay, now predecessor of the given number. First let us see how to pronounce this number, how to call this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So students, 2 lakh 8,090. This you have studied in your first chapter, na, knowing our numbers. In that chapter you have learned how to write and put commas according to Indian system and international system. So in the same manner I am reading the number also. Okay, so it is 2 lakh 8,090. I have to give its predecessor. So subtract 1. 10 minus 1, 9. Here 8 left. Then 0, 8, 0, 2. So what is the final answer, students? Its predecessor is 2 lakh 8,089. So this was question number 6, students. Again, point number D will be your homework. You are going to solve. So students, in today's video we have seen question number 1 to question number 6 from exercise 2.1. I hope each and every solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me and also do your homework. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.